Hello and welcome again to another video. So in this video I'm going to show you the best screenshot taking software. Okay. So there are a lot of applications available in the market right now. Okay. So you can use any of them, but we all know like some of them are like paid, some of them are free. So in this scenario I'm going to show you that which one I used from like last 3 or 4 years maybe. It's totally free. So we already had a screenshot taking tool in Windows. Like if you go to the search menu and type snipping tool, like snipping tool, this is the tool. If you open it and then if you click on the new, it will take a screenshot like this. Okay, and it will go to save it. Now you can modify all the details like this. You can highlight and do something. Okay, or you can record your screen also. After taking the screenshot, okay, it takes some time and some of the features is not that useful to me. Okay, as per my work, because as per my work role, sometimes I need to take like 20 or 30 screenshots simultaneously, and then I have to edit and find the highlighted option. So I don't prefer this one. So I'm going to show you which one I use. Application that I was talking about. Okay, this is the Lightshot. So click on the Lightshot website, and it's totally free by the way. And you can see it's saying the fastest way to take and customizable with screenshot. So we are going to download it. There's some basic video over here how you can do that. So you can see all the features are available, like you can pass screenshot of any selected area. You can save the screenshot by internet. It already has a cool one, so I'm going to use this download for Windows now, and now it's downloaded. So let's open the file. Okay, so the file is very light, so it is just 2 or 3 KB. It's just 2 or 3 MB maybe. The file size is very light, so click on the OK. Now go to the accept for the terms and agreement. Then click on next, and now the software is now installed. So you can see, let's finish it. And if you go to the taskbar over here, and this is the icon. So if I open it, now it's saying that select the area that I want to put extender. Let's select from here to this particular area. key that you want to use, like let's say control and then F3, or you can just use the print skin button